Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Avner, and today we're going to be talking about a question where we're making a restaurant app. Okay? So, a restaurant app, it's like close to a restaurant app where you can order meals like fries, burger, and all milkshake. Oh, you can name whatever. Okay? So, the window part. This is easy. This also includes tree view for the prices. So, define price. So we'll get into the functions. Let's just get to the here so far. So label, restaurant management system, and the title too. That's the same thing. So first is the order not number, how much you want to order. Then the fries meal. Okay? Then lunch, then the burger, then the donuts, cheeseburger, and the milkshake, and then the total. Okay? Then the total. Then the price. These are the buttons. These are the labels. There's 8 of these labels and entries. Okay, now there's 4 buttons. One for the price, which I've made so far. For the rest, for the 2, I'll create another video for that. So the exit button, that's easy. Command equals to window dot destroy. You know that. That's easy. So button 2, command total. Whenever you press the button total, in the entry of the total, it's going to show our total. Reset means everything's going to start again. So the function so far I've made is just a price. Let's talk about it. So first of all, we have to create a new window, top level, then a tree view to make a list, right? You know that. So price list equals the top level window. We also have to import the top level TTK for the tree view too. Okay? Anyways, let's get back. So for the geometry, 640x430, tree equals the TTK tree view, right? Price list. We always have to do that, so it'll be in the new window, right? Columns equals to column 1 and column 2, comma, show headings, okay? Tree.pack fill equals to both, comma, expand equals to true. So tree.heading, column 1, text, that first column is the text, is item. The second column, the text is price. So it's going to show the price in the second column. First column is going to show the item, like fries meal, the burger meal, and the other stuff. Now for the data, fries meal, this is the item, but then the price is $25. But I just wrote 25. And same things, lunch meal 40, burger meal, donuts meal, cheeseburger, and so on to the milkshake. For for I in data, for the ones that know tree view, have watched my video, then you should know this. Tree.insert, the empty string, comma, end, you have to put that in double quotes, values equals to I. So the values of i's are in the data, and then the data's already here. Right? So let's run the code. Okay. Oh, right there. So order number, let's say 23. This is just testing, okay, because we haven't started it. This is because this is just the beginning. We haven't actually started it yet. So if we go to price, it actually tells me a list of the fries meal, lunch meal, burger meal. See, all it is showing. Now, how to get out? You have to do that, right? Just press on the X button and it goes. Exit. Total and reset, they're just clickable buttons. We haven't done anything to them yet. But the exit, it exit out. Okay, that's what it does. That's how the code works. It's like a real restaurant app. Okay? So thank everyone for listening about my video about the restaurant app management system. I hope you like it, and